Hey guys, welcome back. We have the Nextbase camera. See, it has Alexa built in, Wi-Fi certified, made for iPhone, iPad, designed for Android. Also compatible with Nextbase rear camera module, so you can add a rear one on it, the looks of it. So it custom ones that hardwired, so you had to go back to back to Amazon, get the Nextbase camera kit. So it'll come with this one, so it's got your bit there to get into your fuse box, and then your extra long wire to go up to your cam. So it is for the Suzuki across the road. So we'll get the Suzuki in, got the key, and we'll see what's required for fitting it. We'll find a good fuse, one that goes off when the key is taken out of the vehicle, so that it does not drain the battery. So thanks for watching. Haven't already, hit a big thumb, hit a subscribe, have yourselves a great old day, okay? Right, see what we've got off. Glove box is out, it's over there. Panel for underneath. Right, got a big snap-on torch. You can see here, there's a fuse box cover. I'll need to see how that comes off. So we'll get into here and find a suitable fuse for it, and then we'll get the wire ran down. I'm not sure if doesn't look like that panel can come off actually. So I'll need to see if we can find space for the wire to go through it. Hopefully take that off. See, I don't think there's airbags in those ones. Strange. Must just be the airbag there. Airbags on the side ones. Yeah, airbags there. So the airbags in the side ones, but there's no cutting ones here. So we'll remove that panel and feed the wire down there. Right, so I've got all the bits we need. Got an extension wire, fuse box, and there's one there for your old style of fuses and new style of fuses. That there, you can see, has a connection on it, so that goes onto there and then sticks onto the window, and then we'll need to remove the blue film. There is a little cover I've taken off of there, which just protects it in transit. So we don't need that bit just now. What we need to do is just pick a fuse really, and then we'll look at how we're running the wire. Right, so our wire's ran up there. We've got a wiring into the fuse box. You can see it's got an adapter, so we've had to get I can't remember, it's either a micro or a MIDI. I think it's MIDI's that's in it, and I've had to put the micro 10 amp into the adapter there because there was a 10 amp fuse in there. So I need to make sure everything's working okay. So, and I need to now run the earth, so I think I'm going to run the earth. Our battery's still low for flash, but I think we'll run it up to one of those bolts up there. So this is your earth. If you want to be sure that's your earth, it actually is on there. Red, live, black ground, so normally it is, to be honest with you, but we'll crack on here. Right, so I've just confirmed everything, so we've got our earth on, I've cable tied those wires up, put that trim back, and obviously we do need to just mount the thing now, put all the trims back, glove box stuff. You won't be able to put the cover back on the fuse box because the bit that comes out, it just doesn't leave you enough room. It's got two clips to hold that on. So that one there, radio, that's the one we're in. Right, so, and I have confirmed it goes off after about 5 minutes. The power for that fuse goes off, so that shouldn't drain the battery. So we just need to see, we'll give the customer a phone, see where he wants. I would probably go somewhere about here. So, and there is a bit of playing about with that and stuff like that to get it set up how you want it. So there you go guys, it is all working. You can see it's all on English, okay, just the time and date, and then yeah, it says once it gets onto satellite, blah blah blah, UK Ireland, miles per hour, yes. So, and then once it gets to this next bit, tells you, right, that's you, go to the app now and finish setting it up. So connecting app needs to be installed, so we can just turn it off with there. But this bit out is magnetic, so that bit there is magnetic. It's quite hard to get it off, so it's probably why I give you 2 bases, to be honest with you, because it's quite tight, pulling it off and on and off and on. Then I think you'll need to get a wee SD card as well, micro SD for it. I don't know if you want to keep the data, keep it all recorded and stuff. So there you go, just get this trim to put back on. Like I say, that's for your older style fuses. So these are midis or micros, I can't remember. So there you go. So one dash cam, just need to tidy up this bit of wire, put this back, and that's it. Good to go. Thanks for watching, haven't already, hit a thumbs up, hit subscribe. Want your dash cam fitted to your Suzuki, give us a call or get us on the website www.kearneysautosolutions.co.uk. Right, so there you go, one dash cam, all mounted, all the cables all hidden, routed nice. Tried to keep this one just as hidden as well as we can behind there. So there you go, give us a call if you want one done.